Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Thank you for joining me. I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe today. So I seen something. I had some Michael's bugs built up, right? And I didn't even know it. And they sent me a message that they were going to expire that day. So I went to Michael's to spin them, and I couldn't really find anything that I wanted. So I see that they had this new thing online, and it was called Trait Tech's Budget Yarn Pack, and it was $112.99. Yep. Now I paid for it with Michael bucks because that's what I had stacked up, and they were going to expire. And it says that it's 16 1-ounce skeins of yarn, like mix and match yarns, and it looks like they don't have labels. And I thought, well, I wonder why this is $113. Maybe it's something special. I'm like, well, I guess I'll use my Miles bucks to buy it and show it on YouTube just to see what it is. Maybe it's something like super awesome to charge that much money for it, because that's only a pound of yarn, and it looks like from the picture it's just milling yarn for $113. But maybe it's like spun. I don't know. I got it today. Do you guys want to check it out? I mean, I don't know. It could be something really cool. I wouldn't have paid that for it if I didn't have Michael's special, without knowing. So that's why I'm doing it. Maybe it's something super awesome and I just don't know it. I mean, you know, sometimes it can be something super awesome, and maybe this picture's not showing it correctly or something. I don't know. I'm skeptical though. We'll see. We will see. All right. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Budget yarn pack assortment, $112.99 at Michael's. They charged $113 for that. Is it spun in gold? Okay, so like I said, I only did this for Michael's box. They're not even full skeins, and it's not even real yarn. It's like ribbon yarn and boucle yarn and unspun roving style that's not even spun. I feel like I don't know. I mean, it shows what I expected this, I guess, because that's kind of what it shows in the picture. But why are they charging $113 for this? Can you return stuff that you bought with Michael's bucks? Oh my gosh. Michael's, what is wrong with you? This should have been like $5, 10 at the most, not even 10. $113. That is nothing spectacular. I could have went to Walmart and got like 30 balls of Super Saver, or their mainstay, with over 300 yards in them for that amount of money. And they send you this? I mean, I see the picture of it. I expected it to look like that. So I'm not like, oh, I can't really believe that they're selling it for that much money, but the picture represents what you're going to get. This is pretty much what the picture looks like, only different colors and stuff. Oh my gosh. Well, you never know unless you try, right? I thought maybe, just maybe, it's something extraordinary for them to charge that, and the picture is just is just misleading. Nope, it's not. It's exactly what it shows. This is, yep, 16 1-ounce pooled skeins of yarn. You do not know what fiber it is. You do not know. It's just half skeins, pulled yarn. Yeah, it's just a boucle yarn and ribbon yarn and unspun roving style yarn and chenille type. It's not even, it's nothing I would ever probably crochet with. Okay, well, it is what it is, you know. Like I said, I wouldn't have bought it if I didn't have Michael's bucks. So, and they were getting ready to expire, and I couldn't like hold on to them and wait for the reset to show up on their website. I couldn't because they were expiring. And I'm like, well, I'm going to get this. And then I'm going to show everybody because it might be something, you know, that they're just not saying about it. But it's not. You see it on their website. It's exactly what it says. $113. This looks just like the picture, only different colors. And my advice would be not to buy that. Of course, you probably know that. I wouldn't even have bought it, like I said, but it is what it is. I took the hit, so you don't have to. But like I said, only with Michael's bucks and only because they were going to expire. That is the only reason why I bought this. It is what it is. Hey, it is what it is. I'd stay clear of this if I were you. Unless they knock it down to like, I don't know, maybe $5. I don't know. I wouldn't even pay 10 for it myself. Because it's not really yarn. It's just like scraps of different. It's not like real. It's not like, you know, spun yarn or anything. It's odd yarn. Odd yarn balls. Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to go. I would open it, but I think I'm going to keep it as a souvenir for the worst purchase Bagoday ever made in her entire life. I'm going to save that as a shelfer. I'm going to put it on my shelf. And I always remember this purchase of how Bagoday made the worst purchase ever. Michael, come on now. They know better. That's it. It is what it is. $113. Have a good day, guys. Hey, take care, all right? I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.